guys, today I'm making a miniature mermaid themed dollhouse, perfectly sized for LPS, LOL, or other small dolls. If you guys like this video, I would really appreciate if you'd click the like button, and if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe for more videos like this. And if any of you guys make this craft, do feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I'd love to see it. And finally, kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. Okay guys, so like with all my dollhouse rooms, I start with foam board, wrap in scrapbook paper, and attach. I use more foam board, which I can shape, and craft foam to make the boat-shaped bookcase. Next, I make a super easy wardrobe just using a jewelry box. Just using watercolor, I can paint seashells. Which I can attach along the walls, along with some gems. I make desk legs, just using beads and a toothpick. More foam board and craft foam for the desk. Then shape a mermaid fin, cut out and trace on craft foam. Add some purses from other videos, and a beach rock with wrapped cardboard for a table, and beads for accessories. Along with some other accessories from other tutorials. And just making a super easy jewelry holder using Q-tips, glued to a gem, and paint. Print the printable, which you can access by clicking on the link in the description section. I printed mine on glossy photo paper, fold over scrap paper, and attach. I add a chair from another video, make a little suitcase from a floss container, I add a tiny fishbowl from another tutorial. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!